So this is
What? What's wrong with you? Trust me, I want to take care of you. And you will love me. I'll take you on tour with me. I'm starting my tour in London on the 20th of April. I'm going all over the world. I hear you want to change your car. I'll change it for you. I got my ex calling and I want to pick all your bills. Bundle by bundle.
Right hand.
You think say they're wise?
What's up, my people? How on a date? Your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So, guys, like always, I'm just gonna make sure I give you guys the best again, like I've always done. You know, you don't become my MO. You feel me? So, make sure to just relax and watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and drop nice comments. It's very, very important for the growth of my channel. You feel me? So, no play. Let's go have some fun.
For life it's sweet, it's all. Every day now be. I forgot to visit all.
Baby, what's wrong?
Baby, I have to tell you something.
Let's have it.
I can't continue this relationship.
oh no!
Baby, why now?
I'm in love with someone else.
You really about to do it?
Baby, stop it, Joe. Playing. We've been together for 5 years. You're telling me that it's over. Just like that. Baby, come off it, Abego. Thanks all this guy.
Baby.
She is serious. Anyway,
Who is this? Jesus.
my ex.
I don't die.
It's the delivery guy.
Delivery
My
guy.
dad sent him to bring these things to me.
Alessando's good father whiskey. Your father must be a good father. Baby, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, baby? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, baby?
Just let shake the
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, baby?
Can you imagine?
You tell me something, not my wisdom. They are put on me. I don't go believe for my life. Now they regret.
They cry, they regret, they cry.
Honey, why are you crying? What's wrong?
Honey, it's nothing. Just that my grandfather's death is painful.
Oh, it's over 18 years since he died.
You know, grief can be somehow.
You know what? I'm very busy right now. I need you to help the kids with their assignment. Alright?
The Momo don't marry you.
Daddy, can you draw a diagram of a hat? A broken one.
The Momo don't marry you. Still they date another person.
God have mercy upon us.
When you communicate a lot with your cat, anyway. Oh, man. The cat don't catch the rat.
When you laugh, I don't call you still there. When you laugh, young mama. We don't tell them I'm angry for this unit now. Bring that back, man.
Who be this?
Now maybe smaller, aka small body big engine, aka king of this Okame. I mean, one hour you expect to have a mess of I put cause my face so my shoes shine.
I be Lagos boy. I just enter Port Harcourt now. I dey quick vest.
I dey cap. The wakama. No. The machine work for me, Abi. Where you? Go clear your toes in 2 seconds. Pito, mate group.
You know what give us
Come with Johnny.
They don't come on good.
Now keep this one. Don't do the job, don't the shake ways.
Small pikin, I collect Jones guy.
Number one, why you do like this, eh? You get big man show we feel on this level now. Why you can't come my small place, can't run the whole way?
Oh, should you know say this boy can't define me now. Now I say me can run this place from here sharp. Hope say you don't use Mofela's fire down apps where I give you.
Now if this, I dey drink am every day.
What about the fire down tea?
Now if this, I dey use a chop bread.
Shank, What about the Bola enlargement cream?
The cream. I still rub am this morning. I dey use am for 2 months now.
It means say the Bola don't big where. Oh yeah, maybe one.
You guys still find out come here.
Number 1. Jezebel. So you think I no go find you, Abi? Huh?
Where the guns?
Ajay, the only gun we did this house. Now my Bola. Miss Jezebel. I beg. I dey very depressed.
Yes.
I don't know, maybe if you help me with doggy.
My number 1.
Okay, that one fellas. Fire Dante.
Can you imagine?
Tonight.
Hope say your Bola big.
He big.
God have mercy upon us.
Persuasion.
Let don't spoil. See your Bola smoke. Eh? Don't give am. We use am for you. That kind of.
Can you imagine? MC Habakkuk.
Madam, now the food where una send me make I go buy this.
Okay,
Man, it's still in Lagos.
No, mommy should have told me now. I'm not hungry. I'll eat when I get to where I'm going to. You said?
but Chief, you need to eat before going now. Let's go inside so you eat.
Actually, I'm fine. I'm fine.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Promise.
I promise, baby.
I am Mazi. Fine.
You mean that?
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Come again.
Okay, what?
Come on, give me that. I don't understand. Why you give money the same to the boss for me?
Chief, it's not a human being.
Human being, okay? Sounds like human being. Anybody who get money no be human being now. You don't know. We're not on the same class now.
Which one because I say whether I be human being? Now because of money, you did this level today. I've been there before.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Yeah. What do you mean by that?
Chief, I don't understand though. Which one be say I not go fit eat something remain for you? What do you eat today? Not be me remain for you.
You said?
You go regret your life.
And I got my
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Agnes, you not tell him.
Agnes.
You be mumu.
Oh, surprise as I call her name. You know tell him. Give me the food first. I beg we have a water day for inside fridge up or down.
What's going on
You see
here?
the shop?
Go cry, no worry.
Check your face son. Yeah, check my ear. You don't look alike. I'm off the road to first. I go jump. I go on there.
Don't know why it's going on.
Oh man, don't spoil everything, bro.
You got the point now.
Yeah, I get it.
Bro!
Yeah, in marriage.
Afan, where they go now? We don't meet now. Where they
1
go?
year in marriage.
My wife inside. And me and my wife will eat together now. And if we eat finish, we will sleep together. And if we follow God, those kind of places again, I beg. But what's up?
They're good, they're married
Why we
still.
eat together? We will sleep together now. I don't follow you go. No way they go. We see make I just go pick stop now. Baba. My wife and the talk soon. I will catch up with you. Baba, they go later, yeah? Yeah, I will call you.
2 years later.
Dickie! Afan, my guy, what's the level now? Afan, wait, I'm gonna move now. I'm gonna enter the place now. You understand?
Yeah, no, I know, but you go wait, make I go discuss am with my wife first.
You want to follow your wife discuss am?
Man, not that you allow me.
Yeah. Go follow and discuss am.
Wow.
Allow you move, just enter. My man, Dickie.
Wait for me far side.
No, I'm not enter inside.
Just
Oh yeah, no wahala. Oh yeah, okay. No wahala.
That's so they do.
Follow and discuss am. That's my man.
Yeah.
Now, for who you marry you? So I never cheat something.
I will tell you, 5 years later.
Hello?
Jesus.
Okay.
Hello, be that now, be that. Dickie, you never dress?
I'm not go back, so bro, you dey waste time now. If this be a bag of clothes, I don't go like that. First of all, go fast. I know I did the clear. My head full. Now. She's in a play. Papa, go dress.
I did go dress now, just
waste time. If by now, we're supposed to reach there.
Now they go wake up after 5 years.
Nice one.
See nice one.
That is not a joke. Who are not the person? Forbid.
Can you imagine? Just 5 years of marriage, now you can't go come waking guy. Grace Clown, I think Grace Clown, yeah.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Man, look, they make it
God have mercy upon us.
What's going on here? Who done the fan?
Oh God!
Sister, no worry. I go handle her from here. Okay, who show you have that? How much for it?
100,000.
100,000 for mineral.
Oh God!
No, the packer can't go pay. Okay, pack them by yourself.
Oh, she hope that.
I manga for Jesus.
You go.
I go by the name Industry Cola Note. Respect, Baba. Respect, audience. Respect to Mama. Respect, DJ. Respect, Bouncer. Respect. Mama, respect to Mama, beg dance for this song.
Mama, sing now.
Mama, respect. I don't force you, Mama. Respect.
Nice song, eh? Correct.
Baba, respect, Baba. Baba, now you be the first person who tell me say this song nice. Respect. Baba, not be Yoruba, but respect, Baba. Respect. Respect. Respect.
Ladies and gentlemen, make welcome one and only, the biggest in the city. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Industry Cola Note.
Industry Cola Note.
DJ, off the song. Off the song. Fans want to mob me.
Mercy, Manuko. You think you can come from the city and come and take a land that has been given to us by our ancestors? We have locked you in this key, Mercy, Manuko. We have locked you in this key. I am my brother. I'm Nedu. We have locked you in this key. And as we put this key on the ground, anybody that match this particular place will die. Anybody that match this place, what will happen? Online? Cover it. You think you want to come out?
I think I missed out on something.
Did I just match it?
Hey! Did I match it? You match it!
I know they use plenty of for
You match it! I'm gonna lift my leg! I'm gonna keep home. We go together. I'm gonna keep home. We did it together. We go together. We did it together. We go together.
Say, Wizzy.
Who plays?
Bro, I agree to boss. But I know people start to see like this.
Like the same guy.
I didn't watch you online now. I didn't watch your skits there. I didn't watch your skits when they do with Sabinus. You don't know this guy. Now they talk this Kakopukine. Me.
Wait till this one, Papa, they talk for you.
Bros, not be me, no be me. Bros, no be you be this guy. Bros, not be me. I'm not the one. No be him be this. Now some people they always talk say me and the guy resemble. Son, I resemble. But now you be this now.
Now even you said it that.
No wahala. Oh yeah, no wahala.
Come on, Festus. Why you deny yourself in front of this guy?
Baba, why I no go deny myself? No, say this way this guy they do like this now. Next week we go hear Nana. Baba, na me they waste my data for your head. Na me they watch your videos. You go find me something. No. All these celebrities is not gonna come offline. No, keep them online. They hear me. Last person will come do this thing where I did. This I they watch your videos. All these things. Now 10,000 naira come out from my pocket. Before you go know now this one I think they do this thing now. Before you know no. Pata 5,000 naira go come out. My brother keep celebrity online. When it comes to the streets, you guys the streets. No.
So this is love. So this
is...
What? What's wrong with you? Trust me, I want to take care of you. And you will love me. I'll take you on tour with me. I'm starting my tour in London on the 20th of April. Going all over the world.
You don't take style, they advertise your tour.
You want to change your car. I'll change it for you. I got my ex in calling it. I want to pick all your bills. Bundle by bundle.
Bundle by bundle. You don't they sub Bonner boy. You don't they sub him.
Right on.
You think say they wise?
Say they wise.
Write it.
The guy don't catch you.
Is that why you are shouting?
How many times did they tell you?
So these formats don't cast.
Don't cast.
Academy Blaq, Easter Sunday, O2 Arena.
You! Now shit, you take your hand, press Jen's so.
Hey!
Officer, I beg. Hi! Officer, I beg now. Oluwa! Officer, I beg now.
This guy's not gonna say.
Officer, I beg. Now this boy, they put me for thief.
Hello, Chinedu. Calm down, patient with me. I never see where say your iTunes card. If I see him, I go sell him, send you your money. Patient with me now.
Hey!
What's the problem? Oh yeah, okay.
Officer, you want to sell iTunes card? You never hear of Panda Exchange? Panda Exchange, they buy all iTunes.
What did they carry go prison?
They buy iTunes card, they buy Steam card, they buy Xbox, they buy Google Play. In fact, they buy Bitcoin join. Officer, they are very legit. Officer, if you trade with these people, instantly they go summon you your money and they buy in a higher rate. If they work like that, bam! Make a check. Try am. Hey, it worked! And they just granting my money sharp. You see, officer, I know they give anyhow updates. It work! That's so, officer! This guy is that for this country. It happen, no?
Carry
Bam!
Oh yeah, what kind of prison?
Officer, so let me just give you updates now on how to sell your gift card. Why you see me can enter say again? Officer, have sympathy.
Sympathy? Now the sympathy I get now. I be police, you na thief. I carry you come prison. Maybe for not teach people things again. Now party now I do. I pay enter prison.
Officer, police is our friend.
Go talk and say.
Panda Exchange. Please, can I have your food? Okay, no problem. Thank you. The next day. Bro, see what I found on the internet. Helping the less fortunate. Hey, wait. Hey.
Come on.
I beg, why not people?
Hey, what do you think you're doing? No, is it because of this common 300k sent to my OP account? Do what exactly?
We'll go 1.5.
Huh? Do you think the 300k can maintain me? No, you think your 300k can maintain everything you're seeing right now?
Hey! Be precious. Don't worry.
The money has reversed.
Received.
I mean, not be juju be that.
As much as I should be. You like pressure. If you pressure, you go reverse.
You come back.
know I just got an admission into 100 level. I didn't need this money. I was just joking.
Organization know they like expensive joke.
What are you going to do now?
Make a drink. Make a drink.
I'll talk, man. I'll talk.
Video go now. Hello?
Frank, the dispatch right.
Abafa. Yeah. So I want to ask you, shall you put the poison for the food? The poison for the rats where I order, where I say we dispatch. You put away well, Abi. Oh yeah, now thank you. I go just use them. Oh yeah, now I use kill those rats now.
No.
Yeah, now. Thank you so much.
Which poison?
Why they ask? I don't. What's they go? I don't send your money. Give wetin happen now.
Hey, but you know, tell me say you put poison.
I don't wanna. I go tell you say I put poison inside food. I don't get.
Hey, but wait first. How far? This poison. Now inside this food we dey and now I bring on give you poison inside.
Yes, now you chop inside.
I no chop. I don't say ask you, but wait, see no man, no wait first, no breast.
Why your voice dey shake? Wetin happen?
Let me say they shake, but at least why you go put poison for food wey at the dispatch? You no tell me say poison dey inside.
I go tell you say poison dey inside food where I dey dispatch. You chop inside my food.
I no chop.
And why you can't vex say I put poison? They go now. Don't send your money back by me. You are.
No breast. Wait first. Wait, abeg.
Wait, I get antidote inside house. We fit cure whatever. But you chop inside the food.
I know.
Hey, now so why you call it?
You calm down first.
Make I calm down. I don't. Have I sent you your money?
The money I don't receive.
Oh yeah, they go now.
But no breast. Now wait, man, follow you.
Wait till yeah, the reason I do.
Then the issues. As you poison this thing, I don't understand. It no make sense.
It no make sense. I poison am.
But you go let me know say that poison I dey carry come.
So no vex. No vex. Say that poison they carry come, I be next time I go tell you. I will no vex.
But now you don't really no man no vex. You don't really be now.
I won't be as in how now. Why I won't give what?
Then how far the attitude they talk about?
What you want is and do? You chop inside my food.
Now no chop.
So why you call the asking for antidote? Oh yeah, now later now. Later take care.
Get a job from inside.
Become the best version of myself, living the kind of life I desire.
Yeah.
Every version of you can think of already exists here and now.
How? Sometimes I feel like I'm stuck in a particular kind of life because how do I keep doing the same thing every day? Like nothing new in my life. It feels like every day is just the same.
It simply means that you are stuck in a particular timeline and it's time to align with a better version of yourself.
And what's a timeline?
As the name implies, a timeline in simpler terms includes all the activities you've chosen for yourself from time to time. It could be your hourly, daily, or weekly activities, which all lines up to form your present reality.
You're saying that my day-to-day activities led to this version of me?
Exactly. Whenever you make a choice, you shift to a version of you that aligns with that timeline.
Are you saying that I have different versions of me?
Yes, just like the concept of a parallel universe, there are infinite versions of you that exist here and now.
I don't understand.
Come with me.
This is a very big
Every decision you've made, every choice you've had, every intention you've set, every thought, words, and beliefs have all led you to your current timeline.
How?
Let's say you decided to be a bricklayer. There is already a version of you as a bricklayer that already exists. All you need to do is to shift into the timeline.
This is unbelievable.
Every version of you can think of exists here and now. A homeless version, a music superstar. You also exist as a chief priest. There is also a version of you who is a pastor, a fraudster, an engineer. You also exist as a king in the community, and also a content creator, an editor, and also an actor. There is also a version of you who is married with kids, divorced, single, and so on.
So what's stopping me from shifting to my most successful timeline?
Your mind is the key. Now let's take a walk into your subconscious mind.
Wow, this is a very big lesson. A very big lesson.
Many are not aware that the universe is mental. It all happens in the mind. To shift to your most successful timeline, all you need to do is make a clear decision of what you want. With your daily beliefs, constant thoughts, and time-to-time inspired action towards your goal, you align with the version of you that you desire.
I don't think it's that easy. I've tried taking actions on several things that didn't work out.
Things like?
I tried going into a poultry business and it failed.
What was your main reason for choosing a poultry business?
Because I wanted to make money. I saw a friend of mine who is into poultry business and is making a lot of money from it.
The poultry business was not your highest timeline. That was why you failed at it.
So how do I know what aligns with my highest timeline?
Genuine excitement. Excitement is the only emotion that pushes you to your highest timeline.
Genuine excitement. What's that?
A lot of people think that money is the drive, but no. Excitement is the emotion that keeps you going before you attain success.
So how do I bring genuine excitement into my job when money is not coming in? A broke person does not have excitement.
You don't bring in excitement. It's already part of you. It comes naturally.
How?
To move to your highest timeline, think about all your passions, ideas, jobs, talents, and visions that you admire. Now ask yourself, which of these brings me the most excitement? That is where your highest timeline is. The next step is to take action without expecting any outcome. Push the idea to the best of your ability and the rest will unfold.
Like, I don't get. I shouldn't expect a positive outcome.
Do not expect any outcome because most times the start of something new might come with lots of discouragement. So the outcome at the beginning point should not matter. Just allow the excitement power the drive.
Wow, this is profound. Okay, let's say I love acting. All my childhood I've loved movies, and most times I find myself in front of my mirror acting alone. But everyone around me wants me to go into a different business. Friends and family who are willing to support the business. Are you saying that acting will lead me to my highest timeline because it gives me genuine excitement, but the business might lead me to a lower timeline?
Yes, acting is your highest timeline.
But business might give me money faster due to the fact that I have connections. Those around me are willing to support only if I go into the business.
The business might be one of your high timelines, but not your highest timeline. If you have genuine excitement for acting and you chose something else, whenever you come across a successful actor, you feel an empty space inside of you. They become a mirror that reflects what you should be doing. Because money cannot fill the void of passion.
Okay.
You should always remember that you are not in this world to survive or struggle. You are here to have fun, create, explore, and enjoy the journey. So the first step of becoming a better version of you is working on your mind. Let's say you want to manifest a new home. The mind is made up of the conscious and the subconscious. Now imagine in your mind that you are already in your new home. The subconscious mind holds the image of your manifestation, while the conscious mind begins to give you different reasons why it's not possible. It reminds you of how the money in your account balance cannot afford it. It also reminds you of all the bills you have to pay, all the debts you owe. The more you agree with the conscious mind, the more your subconscious takes back your manifestation.
Why?
Because the conscious mind draws information from your surroundings, from everything you've believed to be your truth. While your subconscious is responsible for your imagination, creativity, vision, talent, magic. It's unlimited and capable of bringing anything you can think of, no matter how impossible it may seem, to life. Remember, change comes from within. For you to change your external world, you must first of all change the internal world.
What else?
What you constantly see on the media is capable of shaping your reality. That is why your social media feeds are called timelines. Nowadays, by scrolling through your social media feed, I can tell who you are by the kind of content you consume.
That's true.
Content of self-development, motivation, education, and discipline has greater values and lesser engagement, while entertainment, gossip, adults, and content that promotes fear has lesser values and greater engagement.
What else?
Relationships can also influence your life. That is why when you decide to go on a self-development journey, you're often separated from friends, lovers, and even family.
Okay.
At first, many might not understand why you've chosen to be alone, but with time they will, because the journey of solitude will shape you to a better version.
So how long does it take to shift to a different timeline?
It takes a second to shift. One bank alert, opportunity, relationship, or event can change your life for the better.
Okay.
But it takes day-to-day action, beliefs, and thoughts to become.
Become? How?
The shift requires you to become that version of you desire. You must act like you're already that version even before you begin to see results.
Okay, now I understand. The aim is to become the best version of myself by moving to my highest timeline to get the ultimate satisfaction of what life has to offer.
Exactly. That is what timeline shift, quantum jump, and infinite universe is all about. Now the question is, what do I want to be? Am I excited to be my current job? Do I feel stuck in a particular timeline? Am I living the life of my dreams? It all begins with a choice.
Thank you.
Great one. The long-awaited moment is here. It's time to align with the best version of you.
Wow.
Congratulations.
When the stars are lighting, I'll be there.
Oh my wow.
Wow.
Exactly.
They don't put my guy in clothes.
Hey! Who gave me that?
They carry all your food. They don't carry your okay. They don't look at my guy. They don't look at him. Man, come on, man. I think this Xploit comedy, I think he did something. He did something like his is not even comedy anymore. I think it's an inspiration. It's a motivation. You understand? Yes, everything in this video is very, very funny, but believe me, I think the most important one to me right now is Xploit. I think he said something really touching there. You know, shift your timeline. So I think I like that. I like that, and personally, I'll work on that. So for you, what's your favorite part of this particular series? Let me know right in the comment section. I really would like to know. Let me know if we share the same thing. Again. So thanks for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Drop nice comments and check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. Trust me, you will love them. And see you in the next one. Peace and love.